Quiver's Chief Technician at GFP Machines. We're going to be showing you top and bottom drum and pad sander. It's been fully refurbished. Basically what we'll be doing, it's been refurbished. All bearings have been changed, spindles re-rubberized, new belts, new V-belts, drives. Terrific machine up until 300 wide, auto rise and fall, variable speed drive. What will be happening, timber will be fed in from one side, which will then be roughly sanded via drum and then smoothened via pad at the bottom and feeding through the machine with the drum at the top, doing the rough and then the pad on the top. So basically your bottom and top drum and pad sanding. It will then exit on the other side as a finished product. Okay, so we can start up this machine. It's our drum running. Got our bottom pad running. And we've got our top drum. We've got our top pad. Once that is running, we'll start our feed motor. See, there she goes. Okay. We're then just going to lower this by 1 millimeter.